Alright, welcome to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So we have just launched again this line. So I made this t-shirt and a lot of people are asking, SoFlo, where did your merchandise go? I've had a couple of shirts sell. Merchandise meaning shirts, different types of shirt, like the tank tops and the v-necks and the hoodies, even mugs, like coffee mugs and stuff, right? So I stopped doing the merchandise thing for a while. They were doing okay. I just stopped doing it because I was busy doing other things and the campaign had expired and I just didn't renew it. Well, right now there is one campaign that is up. I just got finished relaunching it and it is this one. See that? It says Little But With Talawa, Jamaica. So the thing set. Alright? Now, if you want to be supportive, then you can go ahead and purchase this. It should be showing on the channel underneath all the videos. And right there, once you click on it, you should be able to go to Teesprings, which is the store that it's in. So you don't have to call me, SoFlo, we need this size, we need this size. You go directly to Teespring. They go all the way up to 5X, 5XXX large. So, and they are unisex, and I also this time have them in multiple colors. And V-neck and marina, tank top, whichever way you want to call it. And the mug is again available and a sticker. I am now going to go into the store and show you how to navigate the store, because some people have a problem navigating the store, so they can't find the merchandise in the store. Look on the shirt nice. Only this time there are no white shirts, but there are other colors available. Next time I launch it, if there's a demand for the white shirt, because someone coming up say, you know, I can beat this with some jeans shorts and some white sneakers, fresh white Jordans, or whatever you choose to do, and out the road and look good, don't it? Representing at all times. Yeah? Alright. Follow me into the store now. Let me show you exactly how to navigate this store. And thanks in advance. Oh, remember, 100 pieces is all that we are designing. Once the 100 piece sold, done, the campaign will cut. You won't be able to get another one. So make sure you hurry up and get yours now. And they're not expensive at all. Very affordable. Less than $20. Alright? Now let's go into the store. Alright, so here we are in the store, right? So check it. So you come into the store by clicking the URL that I'm going to give below in the comment section. I will pin it and leave it in the tag in the description box under this video. So when you come in the store, you'll see this is the original, or the first piece, right? That's the first piece of material or first piece of clothing, and there's the beautiful design, Little But With Talawa. Somebody said, why you didn't put Lickle, L-I-K-K-L, Lickle But With Talawa? Okay. Lickle, little, same thing. Let's not make a big deal out of it. It's not all Jamaicans say lickle. Alright? The saying said little but with talawa. Some people say little but with talawa. It's still ours. Right? And you get the point. Lickle means little anyways. So we're not going to make a big deal out of that. Just get that out the way. Now, the campaign name is The Strength of a Nation. And as you can see, it asks to describe your campaign. And I said that we are an island in the Caribbean Sea, but do not underestimate our strength, because we are powerful. And that is what basically Little But With Talawa means. We are a little island in the Caribbean Sea, but don't underestimate our strength, because we are powerful. And powerful indeed we are. We're the biggest little island in the world. Everybody knows Jamaica for whether it's reggae music or our sport icons, or our doctors, teachers, lawyers, inventors, etc., etc., etc. And that's something to be very proud of. So when you come in at the store now, here's the main advertised piece, but over here, you're going to have others. You can click on each one of these to see exactly what it is, and then go ahead and make your purchase. Now, someone is going to say, so how come you only have one black shirt? Alright, down here where you see these buttons, if you notice, there's black, there's pink, there's gray, and there's orange. So for instance, if I was to click that one, it will show you the shirt in that color. Alright? So you don't have to get it in black. Summer is coming. I think this is a nice, vibrant color, which looks good on melanated skin anyways. And the words and the flag stand out even more. Don't it? Alright. And then here we go. And you get to see it in gray as well. And then, of course, here it is in pink. And again, in black. Here we have the tank top, as you can see. And if you want to see what it says on the back, you can flip it around and it will show you on the back as well by clicking over here. And all it says right there is SoFlo TV in that kind of writing. SoFlo TV at YouTube. And then send it back to the front. I didn't want the whole front to say SoFlo TV at YouTube. I just wanted one little part of it to say so. It's kind of a memorabilia, but at the same time, this message is bigger to me. Little But with Talawa is bigger to me than SoFlo TV at YouTube. Understand? So yeah. Then some people say, yo, SoFlo, my neck thick, you know. Me a big man, you know, my neck thick. Me can't wear them round neck shirt them. If you did get it in a V-neck, brother. Someone actually said that. If you did have them in a V-neck, brother, me would get a V-neck. Alright. Here we are. So over here you have the first one is in the round neck. I like round neck t-shirts. Especially if I've been working out, it accentuates my chest and all that better. But sometimes you want to wear the V-neck too. Summertime V-neck. V-neck is very comfortable. V-neck right there, so. And again, if you want to go down here, it's in two colors. And I only chose two colors this time because this is a limited piece. And after the first 100 goes, that's it. I will close the campaign down, right? So you see it in that color right there. And you can see how the words, Little But with Talawa, Jamaica, so the thing set. See that? Very bright. Looks very good. Don't it? And you can get it in black also. And this is the V-neck. This is the V-neck shirt. And we'll go over here now to another piece of merchandise, which is the cup. Now this is your coffee cup. For those of us who drink coffee or drink tea, I encourage drinking tea anyways because it's just healthy for you. British people drink a whole lot of tea. I think they drink tea like 4 or 5 times a day. But anyways, I think the black looks, I'm definitely getting one of the black. And I already have a black one that says SoFlo TV. That's what the cup looks like. So it'd be nice, especially for those of you who work in an office setting, cubicle setting. You can go show off and show your patriotism anyways. I'm guarantee you somebody will say, that's a nice cup. And what does that mean? And it gives you an opportunity to shed some light about your country and your culture, right? Or country of birth and your culture then. And black for men or women if you want black. And pink is here as well, which is a bit girly, but I mean, if you're a man and you want to rock a pink cup, then that's your business as well. And then we have the sticker. That could be used as a bumper sticker, or you can stick it on your computer, or you know, wherever you use a sticker at. Stick it on your refrigerator at home. Make everybody who walk in your house know that this is a Jamaican household and we're proud and we're Little But with Talawa and I saw the thing set and this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. Alright, so yeah, we have the round neck shirt in multiple colors, right? Gray, pink, black and orange. We have the tank top, and the tank top is in multiple colors as well. Well, 2 colors. Comes in black and it comes in red. The red one is just blazing. I have to get one of those for myself. And then you have the V-neck shirt, which comes again in red and in black. And you have the cup, which comes in pink. Nice. And in black. And of course the sticker. Alright, and there you have it. So SoFlo TV, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section below, and make sure you go and check out and purchase a piece of merchandise, a piece of this collectible, because again, limited pieces, and once they are done, we will scratch the campaign and put up a whole different design. Alright, it's SoFlo TV, man. I'm out. Peace. Alright, so our campaign has kicked off for our Strength of a Nation campaign. Alright, make sure you support our Strength of a Nation campaign by buying one of these beautiful pieces that you see in this video right here. $1 from every sale will go towards our charity of choice, and our charity of choice is forjamaica.org. Go look them up. In case you're wondering how to purchase one of these beautiful pieces, on every video on SoFlo TV, look right underneath the video and you will see a piece of merchandise. Click that and purchase directly right here on YouTube. Thanks in advance.